Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stifel Online Fast Access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Stifel's online login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, locate the login section. You will see fields for your user ID and your password. Click on the user ID field and enter your unique user ID. Next, click on the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring that you use the correct case for letters. After entering both your user ID and password, double-check for accuracy. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the appropriate link for recovery assistance. Once you are ready, find and click the Login button. Wait a few moments for the system to process your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Stifel Online account dashboard. In case of an error, a prompt will appear, guiding you to verify your login details. Follow any instructions provided to resolve login issues. Once logged in, you can access your account features and services. Enjoy managing your investments online seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.